Hey guys, good morning to everyone, or good evening to everybody. So I received this from SeeSii. So this is the replacement battery. Yeah, so we're going to open it. So the mailman just gave it to me. Yeah, so let's open. This is coming directly from China, I believe. So my power tool is a torque wrench had failed, so they have given me this as a replacement battery. This was delivered in 2 weeks time from China to the UK. Yeah, so these are still sealed, made in China. See, and T184080, 21 volts, and this is like, I don't know, 4 amp hour. See, 4 amp hour. The other one as well is identical, 4 amp hour, 21 volts. So now let's check the voltage of these two battery. I've got my multimeter here, but got broken somewhere. Look at this. So I'm going to set to 200 volts DC. So I don't know how I'm going to insert this, because maybe I can put like this. Don't do this yet, because it just broke. My multimeter points are broken. So let's do like this and do like this. So at the moment it's 19.4 volts. That's from China to the UK for about 2.5 weeks. Yeah, and the other one is 19.4. By the way, I forgot to show this. At the moment it's in 3 bar. Yeah, the other one as well is in 3 bars. So I'm going back to my home country in 1 month time. My power tool is in my home country, so I'm going to test this, and I will post again another video after this, maybe in 1 month time. Yeah, so I'll share with you guys how this battery will perform. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.